In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Bank of America to Wise. First, let's start by opening the Wise app on your smartphone. If you haven't already, you'll need to log into your existing Wise account or sign up for a new one. It's a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts on the screen to get set up. Once you're logged in, look for the Send Money button and tap it to initiate your transfer. Next, it's time to enter your transfer details. You'll want to specify the amount you wish to send using the app's easy-to-use currency input feature. Be sure to choose the right currency and the country where your recipient is located. This ensures that your money arrives without a hitch. After filling in these essential details, go ahead and tap Continue to move on to the next step. Now it's time to add your recipient's information. You'll need a few key details here, so make sure you have your recipient's full name, the name of their bank, and their account number or IBAN. Don't forget to specify the recipient's country as well. These details help ensure the money ends up in the right spot. Once you have entered all the necessary information, you can proceed to the next stage. Here, you'll select your preferred method for funding the transfer. You can either choose bank transfer ACH for more cost-effective fees, or debit card if you're aiming for an instant transfer. The app will clearly show you the total cost and the expected arrival time for both options, helping you make an informed decision. When you've made your choice, Wise will provide you with their ACH transfer details, which include a routing number, an account number, and a reference code. Keep this information handy and visible, as you'll need it shortly. Now, it's time to shift over to your Bank of America mobile app. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Transfer Zelle section and select to Other Accounts or External Transfers. Here, you'll want to add a new account using the ACH details provided by Wise. Carefully input the routing number, account number, and be sure to include the reference code in the specified field. Finally, enter the amount you wish to transfer, as specified on Wise, and proceed to tap Submit. With that, your part is done. Wise will take it from here. You'll receive a notification from Wise once the funds have successfully arrived and your transfer is converted to the target currency. That's it. You've just transferred money from Bank of America to Wise with ease. Follow these steps, and you'll have no trouble sending money wherever it needs to go.